Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So, another unboxing and a review. Let's take a look. Ooh, I don't know, but it has dangerous lithium batteries inside. Shh. Here we go. Okay, and it's a bigger box. It's the phone. Cool. Different logo.
Different looking box than before.
Okay, the big moment. Whoa, it just slipped right up.
Can I peel it off?
Yeah, that's my daughter Kate. Say hello. This is the fun part, right?
This is how you do it?
Yeah, just one little piece of tape by a time. Let's see, we do that. What else is in the box?
Ooh, it's so shiny.
It is shiny.
You can see the reflection of the tripod, well, the camera.
So this is the navy one. Galaxy Z Flip4. Wow.
Shiny.
Kind of like the silver. Ooh, the speed bump is not... Ooh, it closes differently.
I like the purple one more.
Yeah, that's the one we're filming on right there.
I like the purple color.
Yeah, I want something different. So when that boots up, what else do they send us? Not a charger. We have a quick start guide, a very boring charging cable, SIM card ejector, and a USB-C to USB-C. Well, that's fun. Just doing the first initial charge here. It was a little warmer, but now it's down to 90 degrees as it tapers off. 3 more minutes until full. And yes, this is the Z Flip 4. So far so good. It seems to go flatter. The hinge is different. It's more rigid. Yeah. And the speed bump is slightly less prominent, but that's how the Z Flip 3 was when I first got it. I like the chrome. It is really shiny. I'm not seeing a ton of fingerprints on mine yet. I haven't done the fingerprint yet. Shunk. Ooh, 99%. Okay, I haven't really used it during the charging thing, so I don't want to mess it up. 91, not bad. Battery test is almost done. And just like that, fully charged. No beep or anything. That's kind of disappointing. And then go to battery and device care. Good. Time of test finishing at 11:15. I love round numbers. Yeah, no noise. Wow. We'll see how long it lasts, eh? The Z Flip 4. And this is the Z... Oh, they like each other. They're just attracted to each other. Very close. Slightly wider gap. The hinge, a little bit different. Buttons, same locale. More square, more rounded. So let's try on the case, shall we? Because this is a slippery thing. There we go. And so now I have a little holder thing. I like the orange. It says flip. Interesting. Okay. Yep, I can still flip it open. Not as easily as this one, but I have had this one for about 2 months. So this is my third Samsung Z Flip 3 since September when it came out. And today is August 29th. First one I returned because of overheating issues. The second one I exchanged because of battery issues. It would get down to about 30% and then die. So I upgraded. Samsung had this awesome pre-order deal where you get a free case and then you also get some store credit. So I ordered a new charger and they gave me a free case. Funny enough, last year they ended up giving me this case for free because it broke. Like there were little connecting tassel things on there, but this one has worked great. And now I have a white one. It does hide the color, but that's okay. I kind of like this little strap thing, so now I can put my fingers back there and not drop it. That's my hope anyway. So how do I like it so far? I like one thing really, really nicely. When you double click on the power button, it goes to photo mode, and then you can just hold up your hand and it takes a photo. On the old one, it cropped it at a 3:4. Go to gallery, and there's my photo. It's nice and wide. That's cool, right? It does seem a little faster, a little more responsive. You still can't watch videos on this screen. I haven't tested text yet, so let's try that right now. Pretty easy, right? You send a test and it works fine this way. But what about when you close it? Hello, comma, do you want to go to a movie tonight? Question mark. You just click on it. There's a test message, and I can open, I can clear, or I can just voice back. Yes, let's go see a movie. And send. And then it goes back. So let's try again one. Should we go get dinner first? Question mark. I can do an emoticon, scroll down, those are all the canned messages. And then here's the emoticon. And I'll send pineapple, coconut. Yeah, let's go get some breakfast. Send. And then whoever I'm texting, boom, they get the pancakes. So now you can reply. Now what about a photo? Let's try that. Add. There we go. And the picture is right on the screen. Very cool. Much appreciated. So texting now works. Good job, Samsung. So how's the visibility outside with the Z Flip 4? There we go. Direct sunlight. Now we're kind of in the shade. Now we're directly in the sun. Man, is that shiny. Trying to catch a honeybee eating. Ah, there's one right there. So this is on the Samsung Z Flip 4. Oh, he flew away. Oh, there's another one. So that's 4x zoom, 5x, 7x. Whoop. Oh, he's drunk with pollen. So we can zoom in. There we go. That's 4x, 5x. That's 10x zoom. And you can see him deep within the flower. And now we're at 5x wide. And that was all day one. Thanks for watching. So it's now day 3. Let me read my notes from day 2. In order to sleep more soundly, put the phone into airplane mode and DND and bedtime mode, and power saving mode. And then the next morning still had battery life. So I charged it that day. It made it all the way to the next day, Tuesday at 5 a.m., 21%. So a whole 12-hour window, which is good. With the original one right here, yeah, I had issues making it 12 hours some days. So they did increase the battery life a smidge, just a smidge. Now the funny thing is, depending on which case you have, you wouldn't be able to tell if you really have a new phone until you start using it. The camera is better. The sound when I'm listening to music is better. Phone call quality, I'm guessing that's going to be about the same. But the picture quality, so as a phone, as a camera, it's great. I was able to make it a full 18 hours on one charge. So that's really good. Now, I didn't have a smartwatch paired. I didn't have any chat programs installed like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. And then I didn't have any work apps installed, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and I didn't have AOD installed. So that's kind of an important thing to say. So then on day 3, I came up to the conclusion, well, is this new Flip 4, is it different enough? Different can be fun. New features, yes, they're quite exciting too. But are these new features worth an upgrade? And this was my conclusion after just 16 hours and 59 minutes of use. So the phone lasts longer. That was one thing that I needed. 2, I wanted to be able to take photos without having to open the phone and not have them be the square photos. Problem solved, like you saw earlier. The other thing I wanted to be able to do is reply to text messages right on the phone. And you can do that. You just swipe, you see the text message, you just click on it, boom, you can reply without going like that. So good job. There's one other thing that I discovered, which is really subtle. Let me show you. When you double tap and swipe down, You can mute the phone. This, again, the purple one is the Z3 from last year. You can change the brightness and that's it. On the new one, when you double tap and swipe down, you can turn off Wi-Fi, you can change the vibration, you can disable Bluetooth, you can just put the phone in airplane mode, so that's kind of cool. You have to use fingerprint, so that's good. And they have this light feature. Press the volume key to turn the flashlight on or off, and then it's warning you that it's really bright. So now if I turn it this way, now I have the flashlight. Now you can't turn it on and off now, it's just a one-time use, and then, but you can use it, turn it off, and that's your shortcut. And you can still change the brightness of the external display. So very nice that they added more of those features. And then as far as the widgets, very similar. I like having the calendar, and then you can add these widgets as well. So shortcuts, so new widgets. That's good, that's nice. Not Easter egg, call it what you will, but it's new and it's good, not just because it's different. Now I got an email from Samsung today, and they are giving me till September 15th to decide if I want to send this back for $900 and keep this for the $100 upgrade. So far, I'm liking it. Does it charge faster? This charges about 10% faster. I need a few more tests, but it does charge faster, but it's still not as fast as one of the fastest phones that I've ever tested, the OnePlus 9 Pro, or its successor, the OnePlus 10 Pro, and soon the OnePlus 10T, which will be here in a matter of weeks. So do I recommend that you upgrade? You know, if you have a YouTube channel and a Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and LinkedIn, and you really like reviewing gadgets and the battery life has bothered you, possibly. Ask me again in a week and I'll post another video. If you have the Z Flip 2, which is older than the Z Flip 3 because it's the 2 to the 4, yes, I would upgrade, especially if you did that pre-order. I think you'll find that it's going to be applicable. Thank you for your time. I have some bloopers that will play right after the little wrap-up curtain falls, and pithy comments, type those down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next 88 hours or less. Goodbye. So this is my third Samsung Z Flip 3 since September of last year. The first one I exchanged because of overheating. The first one I exchanged because of overheating problems, and then the second one, battery issues. It would get down to about 30 cents, 30%. Okay, scratch.